Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's been almost 2 weeks. I didn't make a video last week because I want to combine this week 7 and the week 8 together. So here's the items I got for week 7. We have the North Face collab with Supreme. I mainly got the t-shirt because the jackets, the bags and everything, they're just not for me. They're way too shiny. It looks like you have aluminum foil all over the place. But the t-shirt was pretty nice actually. Here's the tag. You have the North Face. It's size medium, so it's not my size, not for myself. And look at the size tag here. It's different from the usual Supreme tag because these are the North Face blanks. They don't use the same ones as usual, so the sizing is also different. These are made a little smaller than usual, in my opinion. And look at the front, you have the North Face logo and also a big box logo in front. These are printed, they're not embroidered or anything, but the printing job was clean, it's sharp, you can see every little details on it, and that little gradient, I like that. And on your right shoulder, you have the same print at the back in a smaller scale. It's still very sharp. The only thing is the R for copyright right there, you cannot see it at all. It looks like a dot right there, but it's okay, I don't mind that part. And if you want to authenticate your t-shirt, look at the inside and see if you have the hologram sticker like this one. Normally the North Face piece should have this tag inside to prove the authenticity, so make sure if you buy used or secondhand that it has this hologram inside. So that's it for this t-shirt. The quality is on point. It's a pretty good quality t-shirt, but given that it's only printed, there's no embroidery or patch, I find it a little bit pricey. So the second item here is the Don't Ask Me stamp. It's also pretty in demand. It's not a super hype item, but it's a nice little accessory I find. So on the top here, you can see how it looks like when you actually stamp it. It says "Don't ask me for shit" in an oval kind of logo graphic. And let me open this thing up. You'll see in the front you have a box logo. There's a little plastic protective layer on top to make sure that you don't scratch off the box logo that easily. And if I press on it, you'll see inside it says "Don't ask me for shit." That's how it's gonna stamp on the whatever paper you want to stamp it on. But I'm not gonna try it, I'm not gonna test it because I don't plan on keeping this item. And you remember from the last video, I did open the poppy seeds and plant it, and so far it's going so good. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the progress in the future. And now looking at the next item will be the week 8 item. So week 8, everybody is going after the Rimowa luggage. I couldn't get it, it was way too hype, and also the retail was very high, so I didn't plan on keeping that one. So I went for the second item that's kind of interesting. It's a little accessory here. It's a little cactus, and it's actually a live plant. It's not made of plastic, it's live. You could actually feed it water from the bottom. So here you have 4 little holes. They suggest that every 30 to 40 days you put some water in it to keep it hydrated so that the plant could actually grow. And at the top here you have 4 little holes so that the plant could breathe, and eventually if it keeps growing it could go up to 3 to 4 inches big. And by that time you probably have to remove the capsule or put it somewhere else. Alright, so that's it for the past 2 weeks. I only copped 3 items here. And did you cop anything from Supreme? If yes, let me know in the comment what you got. And please remember to go like and subscribe to the channel. This keep me motivated and bring you guys new content. And that's it for this week. Until next time guys, bye bye.